So, how do you even get started in Azure? Well, what's a better way of actually learning Azure to learn how things are working behind the scenes? We will do that by downloading Windows Server 2022. What we can do is we can go to this Try Windows Server Now. The link is in the description. Click on Download Free Trial. The one we want here is the one that says Download ISO. We could use VHD because that's used for Hyper-V scenario. But with this edition, ISO, we can use it on whatever we want. So once you have the Windows Server, why not use Azure to install it? This will be like we would install it on our machine. I have a Mac, so that will be difficult because we don't have ARM right now. So we can do is create a resource, virtual machine. And then other than that, what we can do is create a virtual machine name, YouTube test VM. Region, we will do Norway East. So that will be Norway East. And trusted, we will have standard for security. And we will do Windows Server 2022. So instead of installing the ISO that we downloaded, which you can do if you want in a virtual machine environment, for example, VMware or Hyper-V, and inside of here, we would choose Windows Server 2022 Data Center Generation 2. As you can see, it's quite pricey, 1,792. So if you want to support my channel, you can use the link down below to donate whatever you would like to using PayPal, or you can become a Patreon member. And we can just say OneDev Consultancy as the name. The value must not be empty, which we have set to standard. Availability zone, they actually want an availability zone. So if you choose availability zone here and you choose zone 1, it's okay. If you don't do that, you get the value must not be empty. So make sure to say no infrastructure redundancy is required. Okay, what disk do we want? The default is 127 gigabytes. Delete with the VM, yes, fine. And now we can do networking. Do we need a virtual network? We do. So we can create a new virtual network, which it has already done for us here, as you can see. It's giving us the address range of 10.0.0.16. This is a private virtual network. And we do have a public IP here, which we actually don't need to access because we can use Bastion services to access this machine. We can have basic here. We will allow RDP, but we could also just use, as said, Bastion, so we don't need to directly allow RDP here because we don't have any physical network right now or any public network.